Hi, I'm going to show you the Sharpen Shape Mask plugin in SliceX 4. Let's add C2 SliceX 4 Sharpen Shape Mask to the clip in our timeline. We could use this effect to help fix up a video clip that was a bit too soft or slightly out of focus. But also a sharpen filter, especially when used around the eyes, can create an eerie effect suitable for a horror movie. So that's what I'm going to do in this case. After we've added the plugin, I'm going to open the editor and go to Frame 1 and draw a shape that includes the eye. Now click on the Sharpen Shape Mask effect layer. There are three different types of sharpen here: Sharpen, Unsharp, and Sharpen Luminant. Let's go for the standard Sharpen, and we're going to boost that up. I don't want to be subtle here, I want a really strong effect. Toggle that on and off so we can see what the effect is doing. Adjust the feathering on the shape mask to blend it with the rest of the frame. We can then hit the track button. We can see that it follows the eye movements quite well. Let's scrub and check the track. We can now use a little trick to streamline the tracking of the other eye. Save changes, we'll close the editor and bring us back to the Final Cut timeline. Copy the clip, which will pick up the effects including the Sharpened Shape Mask. Now, paste effects to add a second copy of the Sharpened Shape Mask plugin. Open the editor again and draw a new mask to match the other eye. Then track again. And there we've got the second eye done. And because we copied and pasted the effect, it carried along all the same sharpen settings as the first. Save the changes, and here's the end result. A simple and effective tracked and masked sharpen effect.